Good evening, everybody. So I'm actually looking at the boat where we'll spend the night. We finally made it after 30 hours of traveling. But the good news is we made it to New Caledonia. So these are all going to be my neighbors. Now that it's day, let me show you a little bit around the boat. So this is the beauty. Welcome aboard this boat. This is gonna be our place for the next 2-3 weeks, and I'll show you around. So over here we have the little kitchen, over here the fridge, then we move on to the luxurious living room. Here, forget it. Over here we have a map of New Zealand that we will never use, but it's also a table for the Caledonia videos. Over here it's my bedroom. I will sleep in this little place. It's like the front of the boat. So let's not lose any more time speaking around here, and let's go explore New Caledonia. So this lovely lady that borrowed me her boat also gave me a scooter to visit around, so that's gonna be great to like explore and catch the sunsets. I'm actually in a really nice spot where you can see the whole town.